Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the detailed recipe for my carrot and pimento fried bakes. You all saw this on Instagram and IG, so here is the detailed version. We're going to start with our all-purpose flour and we're adding in salt, yeast and some sugar. We're going to give that a mix. And I'm going to go in with melted or softened butter, grated carrots, grated pimento peppers, and now we're going to break this into the flour. You want to squeeze it really well to mix that in. And if you wanted to make it spicy, of course you can add a Scotch bonnet pepper if you wanted to. So once it's mixed in properly, we're going to go ahead and add in our water, lukewarm water, to bring this together to form a medium dough. You don't want the dough to be too soft and you don't want it to be too firm. So the same consistency of sada roti dough is what you're looking for. Now as you're kneading it, you're going to add your water a little at a time until it comes together into a shaggy dough. And then you'll bring all of those together to form one dough ball. You want to squeeze it well with your hand to break up and incorporate that pimento and carrot into the dough really well. And this is going to smell so heavenly. Now you can grease your hands lightly and you want to massage until it's nice and smooth. Then form it into a dough ball. And we're going to cover and allow this to rest for about 15-20 minutes. So cover with a damp paper towel or a damp tea towel. You don't want it to dry out on the top. After it's finished resting, we'll go ahead and break it into 6 dough balls. This is going to give you 6 medium-sized bakes. If you want them smaller, break the dough balls smaller. This is about a 3-inch diameter. And if you want it bigger, of course, you can break the dough balls bigger. So I got 6 from this recipe. You can get 8 if you make them smaller or 4 if you make them larger. Allow it to rest for about 5 to 8 minutes. Let that gluten relax. And then you'll go ahead and start rolling them out. I like rolling these out about 1/4 inch thickness. Use as little dry flour as you can, because when it goes into that hot oil, it's going to start burning. That dry flour will start burning and it gives the bake a burnt taste. So I like to roll out all of the bakes and have everyone ready to fry, because they fry up pretty quickly. And when you do this step, it actually gives you a better puff in the bakes. Like, all of your bakes are going to swell if you try this trick. So to your oil that's on a medium heat, we're going to add in our bakes and we're going to allow it to fry. So you see how it's completely submerged? Let it fry for about 20 seconds and then go ahead and flip it over and let it continue to fry. And you'll notice you don't have to spoon the oil onto the bakes. You just keep flipping it every 20 to 30 seconds and it will puff up. I noticed that these carrot and pimento bakes, they take a little longer to puff up, but trust me, they will puff up. I think because of the moisture content in the carrot, it allows this to take a little longer time to cook. So when they're done, place it on a cookie or wire rack and allow the oil to drain out, and then it will be time to enjoy. These bakes smell heavenly. That pimento really flavored it beautifully. It was so flavorful. I had it with bacon and fried fish and it was yummy, but you can have this if you want with cheese and maybe some tomatoes, lettuce, onions, you name it, you can put it into this. So look how fluffy and yummy it looks on the inside. It's very, very hot at this point. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. The shortened version, you probably would have seen it on my TikTok and IG. If you're not following me there, please, I would love if you would follow me there. I'm Trini Cooking with Natasha on both platforms. If you try this recipe, comment down below, let me know. It was pretty easy to put together and it was very delicious. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.